Imagine driving down a wide American highway in 1974. The sun is setting behind you, the road stretches endlessly ahead, and right under your hands is one of the most iconic midsize cars of its era, the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. A car that wasn't just transportation, it was comfort, power, and class, wrapped in pure 70s American steel. A car that became a symbol of reliability at a time when the US auto industry was changing fast. If you've ever wondered what it felt like to own a real American classic, if you love the rumble of an old-school V8, or if you simply want to relive the golden era of Chevrolet, then stay with me, because today we're taking a deep dive into the story, design, power, and legacy of the 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, a car that helped define midsize American motoring. Let's begin our journey. The year was 1974, a turning point for American automobiles. Safety regulations were changing, fuel economy was becoming a bigger concern, and consumers were looking for comfort more than ever before. In the middle of all this, Chevrolet introduced something new, something refined, something stylish. The Malibu Classic. Design and first impression. One look at the 1974 Malibu Classic and you immediately understand why it was so admired. The long hood, the squared-off front end, and the clean chrome trim gave it a premium identity. It wasn't too large. It wasn't too small. Chevrolet designed it to be the perfect midsize family car that still felt luxurious. The front grille was bold, the dual headlights were sharp, and the subtle curves along the sides made it look more aerodynamic than many cars of its time. Chevrolet wanted a car that looked upper class, and they delivered exactly that. Inside, the Malibu Classic gave drivers something special. Soft vinyl seats, wood grain trim, smooth ride quality, and enough cabin space to comfortably fit 5 passengers. In short, it felt like a higher-end Chevrolet without the high-end price. Engine power and performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine. The 1974 Malibu Classic came with several engine options, from the efficient 250 inline-6, to the stronger 350 V8, all the way up to the powerful 400 cubic inch V8. For classic car enthusiasts, that 350 V8 is still the favorite. Why? Because the sound, the smooth torque, and the reliability made it one of Chevy's best engines of the era. The riding experience was soft, comfortable, and very American, thanks to rear-wheel drive and a suspension tuned for smooth highway cruising. This wasn't a sports car, it was a comfortable cruiser, perfect for long trips and everyday driving. America loved the Malibu Classic. And yes, this car was sold in the United States. In fact, it was built specifically for the American market. It quickly became a popular choice for families, workers, and even government fleets. Chevrolet marketed the Malibu Classic as a premium midsize option, and people loved its combination of style, reliability, and value. Legacy and collector value today. Today, the 1974 Malibu Classic is considered a nostalgic American classic. Collectors admire it because it represents 1970s American design. It still has parts widely available. It offers a comfortable ride. And it's affordable compared to many other classics. If you see one in good condition on American roads today, you're looking at a piece of history, a reminder of a simpler, stronger era in US automotive engineering. Closing message. The 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A statement of comfort, a statement of style, a statement of what American midsize cars were meant to be. If you enjoyed this journey into classic American automotive history, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel at CarOg 765 for more legendary cars from the golden era. Thanks for watching, and keep the engines roaring.